with the little pull tab. Like that. So once she almost fell out. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and you're watching Miss Kiki's Curls. So as you already saw from the title, this is my unboxing for the Louis Vuitton Recto Verso card holder wallet thing, a bobber. Whatchamacallit. You've probably already seen my unboxing for the Victorine wallet, so I am super excited to get this unboxed. In fact, let me let you in on a little secret. I was so excited about this that I didn't even wait. I literally just filmed the unboxing of the Victorine and it just got me so excited that I was like, I need to unbox this one. I was gonna do it tomorrow, but no. It's happening today, but y'all are not gonna see this on the same day because suspense. I think I mentioned in the other video a little bit that I wasn't really like a big wallet person from Louis Vuitton. However, when the card holder Recto Verso came out, I was excited. I obviously went online and it was sold out because Louis Vuitton does that. They just sell out so quickly. So it sold out, but I was like, you know what? This is a bit of me. Whenever I can, I'm gonna get this wallet, and that's that. That's on period. A couple weeks ago, I went online because I always stock my wish list to see if things become available, which you should do too, if you really want something. And this was available. So I was like, oh my gosh, in shock and surprise. And I think I was so shocked and so surprised that I didn't put it in my cart fast enough. By the time I put it in my cart and tried to check out, it was sold out. Just my luck. So anyways, let that go. Decided to stock the site some more. Lucky for me, I stocked the site at the right time and it was available online and I ordered it and I checked out and here she is. So if you guys would like to see my unboxing of the Louis Vuitton card holder Recto Verso, then let's go ahead and jump right in. Just like all Louis Vuitton packages that I've received, it came in a little box with the little pull tab. That is what the box looks like inside. So of course, I think I've mentioned before, this is a box that you would use to send back if you need to return it. So lovely. When you open it, in the front is your actual box with your item. In the back is your receipt. So let's go ahead and bust this baby out. So in this, we have the return label in case we need to return, a thank you from Louis Vuitton, information on exchanges and returns and customer service, and then our sales receipt for the card holder Recto Verso. All of that comes in here, and we always save this whether we're returning or not. We keep that in case we want to resell. Just kidding, I've never resold anything, but just in case. Oh my gosh, they wrapped this cute. Okay, so if you've already seen my Victorine unboxing, then you saw that it came wrapped up. However, this has like a little tag, like a gift tag. I got my dad a Louis Vuitton wallet and it came with one of these. So I don't really know why they gave me one because I didn't say it was a gift or anything, but that's cute. Gift to me, from me. So it has a little envelope in it and then it just has a little blank card. Let's go ahead and put that back in there. That's super cute though. How did they know it was a gift for me? Is this a sign? Is this a sign that this is the one I should keep? I don't know. Once we undo the cute ribbon that I don't want to undo. This is the box. So same kind of box that the Victorine came in and that I think all of their little wallets kind of come in. It slides open like that. And then we have the dust bag that looks like that. This is the same size dust bag as the Victorine, but this feels a little smaller and a little bit of a different shape. Ooh, I'm excited. Alrighty, so once you open it up, this is the Recto Verso. So she is so cute, kind of similar to the Victorine with the little V in the front and the snap. This is, however, a metal snap that says Louis Vuitton on it. It's not coated or anything. So although it could get scratched, the paint and stuff on it shouldn't come off. It might tarnish a little, but definitely probably a easier option. as far as, you know, keeping it looking good. But in the front, there's just this little pouch there. I guess you can put some cards there or like some cash or something. What I really like about just looking at this is it says Louis Vuitton right there on the snap. Do you wish it was covered with like plastic or something? And then it says Louis Vuitton on that snap as well, which is really cute. Inside it has the black, and on the outside it has the monogram. So definitely really nice, really good for like trying to keep it clean. Then we get to the little zipper compartment, which you open here, and it's just once again another pouch. It does say Louis Vuitton up here, and then it does have the little key ring. So this is just like the oh my gosh, what is it called? The regular card holder, which I have. This is just like that, except a little bit bigger. And actually, this zipper unzips all the way around, if you guys can see. So that's kind of cool because it gives you a lot more space there. So it unzips all the way around, and then you have this big pouch, which I would probably put like cash in it. Be easier just to have it safely in there. If you turn the wallet around, it has the little like QR code kind of a thing, and some not care instructions, but basically it's just saying that it's coated leather. And then we have this area on the back. So once again, we have the black, there's 3 card holders, and then there is a little pocket here, which you could probably put another card or 2. And yeah, I guess that is the entire card holder. But I have the regular card holder, and I love that. I love the size of it. I love not carrying like a huge bulky wallet. I really try to carry smaller purses, smaller wallets, coin purses, all of that. Just so that I am not tempted to carry my whole house with me. That card holder has really helped me to downsize, and also it's really easy because you can just clip it on your keys if you don't want to take your purse. So I felt like this was perfect because it's literally like the same thing but a little bit upgraded, and I'm really liking it. Maybe I'm more of like a card holder person than a wallet person now that I'm looking at this. I love it. I think the shape is cute. I think it's very functional. I think it's a great size. It's nice and slim, but it can expand a little. It's just like the perfect in between. It's not a full wallet. It's not a tiny key pouch. It's right in the middle. And I think this like just makes total sense for me because I can kind of upgrade it from my key pouch without going crazy. Also, I do like the fact that it has the black on it instead of the pink. The pink is super cute, but I can see it getting dirty. I could see like a pen opening up in my bag and writing on it or something, which could happen with this. It just wouldn't be as apparent. And then of course, the big concern is that button. This could definitely get scratched. I can put like the clear plastic on it to cover it, and I feel like I don't need to worry about it peeling the paint off. So that's a bonus as well. And then I really do like that you do have this little clip hook thing. I do use this a lot in my key pouch, so I definitely would get a lot of use out of this. I'd already know. So just on first impressions, I think I am leaning towards this one. But you guys let me know down below what you think. Let me know if you have this or the other wallet, and let me know which one you prefer. So yeah, this is the card holder Recto Verso. Really like her. I did want to mention to you guys, totally blanking on the date, but they are having the Recto Verso come out in the damier a bean print, I believe, and some other prints. I'll try and put some pictures on the screen. They do have them coming out in those prints, which I think are really cute. And then I think even one of them has like a pink button with a damier a bean, if I remember correctly. But I'm not really into that. I prefer this in the monogram personally. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if I should keep this or if I should keep the Victorine wallet. Let me know if you think I should get this in a different print. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have this and what you think, especially if you've had it for a while, the wear that you've got out of it. Just let me know. Is it worth it? Is she worth it? Anyways, guys, that brings me to the end of my unboxing for my Louis Vuitton Recto Verso card holder. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful if you are planning to purchase this item and you kind of want to see what it's all about. I love her. I think I love her. However, I want to hear from you guys. Let me know your thoughts. If I should keep her, if I should not, if she's worth it, if she's not. Let me know all of that, okay? As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe, take care, and I will see you in my next video.